Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill, here to show you the August card kit. The card kit comes out every other month and includes cardstock, pattern paper, your envelopes, your card bases, and then embellishments. And as you can tell, this month we're getting a stamp set. So this collection is from Crepe Paper. This is Fresh Bouquet. It's absolutely gorgeous, and it's pinks and it's kind of bronzy foiling, the gold foiling, the goldenrod, and the yellow. This is a beautiful collection, perfect for those thinking of you, get well, best wishes, happy birthday, all kinds of things that this is perfect for, but it's just beautiful. So let's dig in and take a closer look. So you're going to receive 2 sheets of white cardstock and 2 sheets of pink cardstock. So these are perfect. You can make extra card bases from them, back your cards. You can use the white for the stamping and color your images. So many options to do with your cardstock. Then you'll receive 6 card blanks. They're already pre-scored for you, and 6 envelopes. So ready to get you going. And then the patterned paper. You're going to receive half a pack of the 6x8 paper pad. So I'll go through here. This is a beautiful floral, and like I said, it has the gold foiling in it. A small pink floral on that gray background. Pink with those gold bows. Pink with the gold foiling polka dots. Another floral. This one's really pretty in its own because it has the large one and then it just circles out around. This one that says love in the gold foil along with flowers. So you could cut this apart and put that on a card base all on its own. You could fussy cut some of these to use as embellishments. And then we have this yellow and pink floral, and then the blue-green leaves. A pink diamond design. And then some more small florals. And a pink chevron, a gray and white grid design, and then that turquoise with these little bitty dots going across. So that's a look at the pattern paper that will be in your kit. For the embellishments, you're going to receive 1 sheet of the foam stickers. So these are going to vary, but this is what was in my kit, all these beautiful florals. A roll of washi tape, and this will vary as well, but I got a roll of the wide floral. And you're going to receive the stamp set. So this is great because you have a couple of little sentiments you can use on your cards, and then lots of the florals. So you can just make this kit go really far by creating your own embellishments with the stamp set. It's just gorgeous. So that is a look at the August card kit. Be sure to check out all the other kits available in the store, and we also have individual items that you can add on to your order. So be sure to look those over. Join us over on the Facebook group for some fun challenges and to win some prizes. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.